I'd like to spend just a couple of minutes talking about chiropractic and the relationship with children. You know, parents are very apprehensive about bringing their kids to a chiropractor. Pediatricians will tell moms, "Oh, I would never let a chiropractor adjust a baby's neck, it's too sensitive." Nothing could be farther from the truth. If you think about the deliveries of your own kids, how often does the OB/GYN doc, as the baby's head is coming through the birth canal, pull a little head, drop it down to present the shoulder, lift it up to get the other shoulder, twist? How many of you have had forceps delivery where the forceps are placed around the baby's head and it's pulled and twisted? That's a very cold, indiscriminate use of traction rotational forces. And there's a huge difference between that and the highly skilled hands of a chiropractor who can sense the relationship of the vertebra and make the necessary corrections to reestablish the nervous integrity. Kids are so resilient and the response is so fast. The thousands of children that I've adjusted through my career, kids with colic, kids that wouldn't sleep at night because they were in pain. Little kids, babies, they can't tell you they're in pain. They're just cranky. And many times the pediatrician prescribes medication for various conditions for these kids. And there's always a side effect to medications. There's always a side effect. Chiropractic is a natural approach to health care that's gentle, precise, and very effective for kids. And I remember here a few weeks ago, a mom coming in with a child who was colicky and cranky all day long and woke up all through the night, and the mama comes in, her eyes are bloodshot because of lack of sleep for over the course of 3 or 4 months, and she's at her wit's end, and the pediatrician has the baby on medication. And I evaluate the baby, and I find out that there's a distortion in the upper cervical spine, probably related to a traumatic birth, which the mother confirms. And simply by resetting the atlas, the top vertebra in the spine, a relationship to the occiput, it's like the little baby goes, "Oh, thank you." And the mom calls the next day, the baby sleeps all through the night. It's like a changed child. That's a miracle. That's a miracle. And most people never access that because of the fear promoted by the medical profession about chiropractic causing stroke, paralyzing people, all those old wives' tale that have no basis in science or clinical experience. And so if you have children that are struggling with different conditions, I would highly recommend that you consider seeing your chiropractor.